Asterisk roadmap for digital marketing, learning and earning money asterisk. Digital marketing has become an essential component of modern business strategies, offering countless opportunities for individuals to learn new skills and earn a lucrative income. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to enhance your skills or a newcomer eager to break into the industry, having a roadmap can guide you towards success in the dynamic world of digital marketing. Here's your comprehensive roadmap for learning and earning money through digital marketing. Asterisk 1. Start with the basics. Before diving into the intricacies of digital marketing, it's essential to understand the basics. Familiarize yourself with fundamental concepts such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, content creation, pay-per-click PPC advertising, and analytics. There are plenty of online courses, tutorials, and resources available to help you grasp the fundamentals. Asterisk 2. Choose your specialization. Digital marketing is a broad field with various specializations. Take the time to explore different areas of digital marketing and identify your strengths and interests. Whether you're passionate about SEO, social media, content writing, email marketing, or data analytics, choosing a specialization allows you to focus your efforts and become an expert in your chosen niche. Asterisk 3. Invest in continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, with new trends, tools, and techniques emerging regularly. To stay ahead of the curve, commit to lifelong learning and invest in continuous education. Attend webinars, workshops, conferences, and online courses to expand your knowledge, hone your skills, and stay updated with the latest industry developments. Asterisk 4. Build your personal brand. In the competitive world of digital marketing, building a strong personal brand can set you apart from the crowd. Create a professional website, optimize your social media profiles, and showcase your expertise through blogs, case studies, and testimonials. Position yourself as a thought leader in your niche and demonstrate your value to potential clients or employers. Asterisk 5. Gain practical experience. Theory is important, but nothing beats hands-on experience in the world of digital marketing. Look for opportunities to gain practical experience through internships, freelance projects, volunteer work, or starting your own digital marketing projects. Real-world experience not only enhances your skills but also adds credibility to your resume or portfolio. Asterisk 6. Network and collaborate. Networking is essential for success in digital marketing. Connect with industry professionals, join online communities, attend networking events, and participate in industry forums to expand your network and uncover new opportunities. Building meaningful relationships and collaborations can lead to job opportunities, partnerships, referrals, and mentorship opportunities. Asterisk 7. Monetize your skills. Once you've acquired the necessary skills and experience, it's time to monetize your digital marketing expertise. Whether you choose to work as a freelancer, start your own digital marketing agency, or pursue a career in-house with a company, there are countless opportunities to earn money through digital marketing. Focus on delivering high-quality work, building relationships with clients, and continuously improving your skills to maximize your earning potential. Asterisk 8. Stay updated and adapt. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies is crucial for success. Make a commitment to lifelong learning, stay curious, and embrace change. By remaining adaptable and open to new opportunities, you'll position yourself for long-term success in the ever-changing world of digital marketing. Asterisk ready to start your digital marketing journey. If you're ready to embark on your digital marketing journey and start earning money, we're here to help. Contact us at +91 9864170343 or +91 9864855058 for a free consultation. Our team of experts will provide personalized guidance, mentorship, and support to help you achieve your goals in the exciting world of digital marketing. Don't wait any longer, start your journey towards success today. Conclusion. With the right roadmap and mindset, anyone can learn and earn money through digital marketing. By starting with the basics, choosing your specialization, investing in continuous learning, building your personal brand, gaining practical experience, networking, monetizing your skills, and staying updated with industry trends, you can pave the way for a successful and fulfilling career in digital marketing. Are you ready to take the first step? The journey begins now. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।